Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need the right hardware and app versions. Start now by verifying Android 8. 0 or newer and a 64-bit CPU with at least 3 GB RAM. Once done, install or update Skyline to the latest APK and update your GPU drivers or System Open GL/Angle support. Next, enable developer options and make sure background process limits are standard so the emulator gets enough memory. These steps fix most startup incompatibilities and prepare the device for the deeper fixes that follow. Now focus on rendering and resource management. Change Skyline's renderer, test Vulkan first, then open GL or software if Vulkan crashes. Make sure you adjust the emulator's memory allocation to about 1/2 to 3/4 of free RAM so it doesn't trigger OOM kills. Also disable any screen overlays, game boosters, or battery optimization for Skyline because these interfere with process priority. If you see logcat errors, capture them. That helps identify driver versus, config issues, and guides the next targeted fixes. Finish by clearing Skyline's cache and data, then reinstall the APK to remove corrupt configs. If crashes persist, collect a logcat trace while reproducing the crash and look for keywords like fatal, SIGSEG, or ANR to pinpoint the cause. Try rolling back to a previous stable Skyline release or switch to a nightly/canary build that addresses recent regressions. One key tip: if nothing works, test the same game on another device or profile. That isolates device-specific driver issues versus emulator bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.